Hi guys, welcome to Azure Data Factory tutorials. So in the previous video, we have completed creating an Azure Data Factory. So then we navigated here. So in this video, we will be navigate to Azure Data Factory components install. So let's look at Azure Data Factory user interface and for Azure Data Factory. So how you're going to create pipelines and all those things we will be see. So Azure Data Factory pages, if you see here, if you just come down the left side, just expand it. If you see this, if you wanted to expand it, this is simple thing we wanted to see like this. Now once we expand the navigate menu, we see Azure Data Factory consists of 4 pages. If you see, if you close this, so 4 pages. One is called home and author and monitor and manage. So let's get into one by one. If you click on home page, so the home page is, this is your dashboard. So from here you can do some of the most common tasks. Okay, like you can create the pipeline or Power Query or data flow. So you can also read Azure Data Factory tutorials if you wanted to videos or find links, more this like in this orchestrated transform or something like that. Just now go to this author page. So this is the main page, so where you can create all the pipelines and all the setup over here. So this is the page main development environment we do have here. So let's see. So if you see here, this pipelines and data sets and data flows. So this is where you will be spending most of the time during the development part. So okay, on the left side, so you will see all your factory resources. Okay, if you see this all factory resources. So after we create some factory resources, that so we'll get back to that soon. So nothing to worry about that. And so let us finish first the overview, the basics of, then only we will be able to create all these pipelines and all the data sets. So we can also search for very top on this page also here. If you place here, you can see pipeline template gallery, import from pipeline template, data flow, copy data tool. So this is option where we have. Now let's look at this monitor. Okay, so monitor page indicates the monitor page is where you can run its monitor stuff. Okay, so from here you can view your dashboard, monitor the pipeline and trigger runs and view runtimes and sessions and setup alerts. We click on pipelines. So we don't have any pipelines over here. So you can click run ID or name. So this is a debug option also we do have. If you wanted to group by navigations and trigger runs, trigger name and integration runtimes, data flow debug and alerts and metrics. Okay, so from here you can manage connections. Okay, so go to this manage page. Now we can see so in the manage page, you can see the manage page or management hub. It was recently added last year. I mean, last 2 years back they've added. So from here, you can manage connections, source control, like triggers and parameters and security and all the custom managed key and credentials, everything you can manage. And this page was added recently, not recently, 2020. So you can see all these things from here. Git configuration, Azure preview, runtimes, everything you can see here. Now Azure Data Factory menu. Okay, so on the top screen you will see Azure Data Factory menu right here. You can see here. Okay, click on the icons, open the different panes. If you see this car button is there, this is called an updates. So Azure Data Factory new connector available for mapping data flows. Azure Data Factory now supports data wash connect for mapping data flows, data preview, debug moments. This everything you can see here. Okay, and switch. This is called switch data factory. Okay, just close it. So if you are working with multiple data factories, if you wanted to switch to some other data factory, Azure Active Data Factory subscription and data factory name. So since we have only one data factory, now we are into the same Azure Data Factory. See, so if I have multiple data factories, you just go here, simply change your data factory and go there and work it. That's it. Okay, got it right. So notifications pane. This is called notifications pane. So once you started doing the things in Azure Data Factory, you will see the notifications pen start light up here. Now settings menu. Okay, settings menu, go to the settings menu. So from the settings menu, you can change the language of the interface, but it's not required for us because we mainly used for the English language. Then go to the help menu. So if you ever get stuck on the something, click on the question mark and top the to go to just help menu. So from here you can navigate to the documentation and questions and answers page. Okay. Now, okay, now we can also view all the keyboard shortcuts also. Just feedback, click here if you wanted to give the feedbacks. Okay. So this is, so feedback panel. So you can give the feedback if you wanted to give the Microsoft. I have feedback. I have a feature solution. So you can click and you can submit. You can submit it. So this is so really good. So there's a couple of options is provided by Data Factory. So in this video, we looked at the Azure Data Factory user interface and 4 main Azure Data Factory pages. Okay, so we mainly used go to the author, so pipelines and data sets and data flows, this Power Query, because since we are going to create all our data factories workflows over here. So this will be the main page. So home, monitor, author. So guys, if you like my video, just please like it, subscribe to my channel. So this is called, so next topic I'm going to explain overview of Azure Data Factory components. This is called an interface. I've explained clearly. So what are the uses and how it will be uses for each and every step. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.